Charcoal remedy for instant skin whitening and glow. Lighten your skin naturally. Absorb dirt and excess oil from your skin. Leave your skin glowing and remove dark spots. Ingredients: milk, egg yolk, honey, coconut oil, charcoal powder, lemon juice, turmeric powder, charcoal powder, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, pinch of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix well. Body scrub is ready. Store in airtight container. Use 3 times a week. Lighten your skin naturally. Use a body sponge and scrub. Remove dirt and excess oil from your skin. After use, your skin feel brightened and clean.